everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to recreate this makeup look and I have also created the same outfit which she has wear. Make sure to check the link in the description. Okay, so let's start. I'm starting my makeup routine with moisturizer because it is must for my skin. If I skip this process, my skin will look dry and patchy. So usually I use Dot& Key moisturization, but for past few days I'm also trying the Foxtail one. It blends perfectly in my skin and cost wise it's also pocket friendly. Now it's time for the primer. I'm using the Forever 52 primer. God, it works so really well on my skin and make my base look smoother. Before applying primer, there is one more step I skipped today and that is sunscreen. I usually apply sunscreen right after the moisturization, but since we are not going to shoot outside today, I've decided to skip it. But it's completely optional and it's on you. After blending the primer in my skin, it's time for the blush. I use Renee Glam Stack 3-in-1 Lip and Cheek Tint 3 shades in one rich, creamy, natural, seamless finish, smooth and blendable formula with travel friendly, easy to use. Yeah, that's the name of this blush. I got it from Amazon. Now it's time for the concealer. I usually don't use concealer that much, but this time I really want my makeup to look perfect. Again, I'm using Forever 52 concealer. This brand is little on the expensive side, but honestly, it's a good one-time investment in a year. I do have little dark circles because of my LASIK surgery. That's why I have to cover my under eyes to look fresh. After blending the concealer, now it's time for the foundation. And yes, I'm using Forever 52 foundation. You want to know one fact? All these products were actually bought during my sister's wedding shopping. We planned to share them together, but now she lives in her second house, and guess what? All her stuff is mine now. So technically, I don't steal it, I just got them all. And I know what you all are thinking. Where is the bronzer? Where is the highlighter? Where is the full glam? Relax, guys. I actually like the natural makeup. I don't like the makeup which look more patchy, cakey, layers on my face. I want my skin to look simple. So that's why I don't use more makeup. I literally use one drop of foundation. So this is my face after applying the foundation and concealer. Now it's time to fix all them together. For setting the makeup, I will be using Maybelline New York Compact Powder. I actually don't have eyeshadow palette, so I will be using this Zudio lipstick, which is only for rupees 99, and I actually love the Zudio stuff because it's a pocket friendly as well as I like them a lot. Now comes the real drama. Yes, the liner. I will be using Sugar Cosmetic eyeliner. Okay, wait. No, not possible like this. This is clearly not working. No worries, I got a secret weapon. This tiny mirror, only for rupees 30 from local shop. So we were talking about the liner. So yes, I got this liner on sale and today I'm going for a long thick dramatic liner because this makeup is totally inspired by 90s glam. And even in the picture, her eyes look pure drama with that wide wings. I'm trying my best to match the energy. Now it's time for the mascara. I already have long lashes, so I usually don't use fake lashes. I only use mascara. I will be applying lipstick now, and all these lipstick are from Zudio. I usually use three shades of lipsticks, and first is brown, second is cream, and third is pink. I use brown lipstick as lip liner, and then to fill the lips, I use cream color and the pink one just for a little tint. Let me just spread evenly together. My lipstick is almost done. Thank you for this cute mirror. And now it's time to do our hairstyle. I have this wireless brush, so let me just turn it on. And for the flowers, I will be using this artificial flower, and to place them together, I have this U-pins. I will be also using the clutch extension because I have completely curly hairs and my mom literally kill me if I straighten them up. So firstly I will be making high pony and then attach the clutch. And from the front I'll do little bit of straightening and keep the hair on the one side as the 90s look. And now I have the perfect earring from my sister's wedding. Yeah, that's not the exact same earring she's wearing, but I think this will go with this outfit. And now attach all the flowers and ta-da, our hairstyle is done. Everything is almost done and now it's time for the reveal.
And I'm also like, एक चुटकी संदूर तुम क्या जानो जोयो बाबू.
That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you hit the like, share and subscribe button. And yeah, please don't forget to watch how I created the outfit. Watch this until I came with another video. Till then, bye.